Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on the Bumble dating application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Bumble application on your device, and if you already have an old account, you will see the continue with Facebook or Instagram as well as the use phone number option. Tap on this option and then enter your phone number or use your social accounts, and you will be asked to enter the verification code that has been sent to your phone if you choose the phone login option. Once you enter the verification code that has been sent to your phone, you will be logged into your existing account on Bumble right away. And now you will be taken into the People tab, from which you can directly start swiping left or right, depending on the profile that you see. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on the Bumble dating app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.